Today, in my final video in this series of the YouTube algorithm in 2018, we're going to deep dive into notifications. Now, if you want to watch this playlist from the start, there's a link up here in the description down below. But today, notifications. So here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. Now if you're new around here and looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now YouTube notifications is something that they added within the last 2 or 3 years. It's like an additional bell button alongside your subscribe button. So you could be subscribed to a channel and have it listed, or you can be subscribed and belled, notified on that specific channel, and what that does is it triggers some additional features to kind of prompt you when something's out. Now before we deep dive into notifications, I want to know, are you subscribed to this channel? Are you notified for this channel? What other channels do you specifically choose to be notified for? Like if you've got 20 subscriptions that channels and you love, what makes you decide what channels you notify for and what videos you just subscribe for? So you want to specifically see that video right now, but the other ones you'll list and you'll go watch in the evening. Please leave a comment down below. Now YouTube notifications appear in many ways. They can be little alerts on your phone that pop up. They can be emails. They can be push notifications on any smart device. Now notifications help kickstart a video. Basically everyone jumps on and it lifts, but notifications don't tend to be the bulk of your YouTube views on that video. Now notifications aren't always pushed out on subscribed channels. From time to time the occasional video will be pushed via, email or via notification. That's only for subscribers. But if you click that little notification bell icon, you will be alerted with every video that channel uploads. So in an ideal world, as a creator, you're trying to push people to not only subscribe, but also click that bell, because the bell gets the immediate traffic and the immediate jump. But I understand it's hard to push people to subscribe, let alone subscribe and something else. Now the best way to understand how subscriptions and notifications works is to, subscribe to channels. So in this case, if you're not subscribed here, click that subscribe button, or if you're not notified, click that bell button. You'll then see, as long as the push notifications are on your phone, the difference between I'm subscribed and I got this, or I'm a notifyee or part of the notification squad, and every time I get this little pop-up or this little email. If you're trying to push people towards that direction, which will help you and help them keep more engaged, then tell them why it's good for them. You need to tell them that, make sure that you don't miss any of the videos, right? If you're really engaged in these tutorials, if you click that notification button, you'll see the next time I upload a video. This video could help you grow your YouTube channel. And the way you do it is by going here and clicking on that bell button. See that bell button? Click that. There you go. Wonderful. At the end of the day, that is the icing on the cake. That is exactly what you're looking for. Once you've mastered how to appear on search, understand how the algorithm works, understand how the trending tab works, how you're getting subscribers, how you're using playlists, once you amalgamate all of those and they finally subscribe, you're done, and you understand every detail of the YouTube algorithm. Now if you want to go back and learn every detail of this playlist, there's the link up here in the description down below. We go through every step of the YouTube algorithm. Remember to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification icon to be alerted every time I upload a new video. Go out there, start creating.